Crann. Is Crann láidir mé, mo chusa sa chré, mo réige ag lúsca go bríomhar sa ré. Na delóga glasa ag rinca go gasta, nach mé atá sásta, is Crann láidir mé. So let's have a look at a few of those words here. So it's Crann láidir mé. Láidir is strong. Okay. Mo chusa sa chré, so my feet. Okay, so if a tree is talking about its feet, it's probably that's the word it's using for its its roots. Mo chusa sa chré. Okay, you can see here. Sa chré is in the earth. Okay, chré is the Irish word for earth, not the planet, but the soil, the clay. Okay, so chré would be soil, earth, clay, that sort of that earth. Okay. Mo réige ag lúsca, so we know ag lúsca means swinging. So géige, so is a bough of a tree. Okay, similar to a branch, but a bough is like the main branch. Here you see branches of the tree. A branch would be a crave. Okay, but a géige are boughs, big, strong, main branches of a tree. So mo réige ag lúsca go bríomhar sa ré. So it's swinging kind of strongly in the wind. Okay. Na delóga glasa, the green leaves, ag rinca go gasta, dancing fast. Nach mé atá sásta, amant I happy, is Crann láidir mé. Okay, I'm a strong tree. So on the ré, the wind, ag lúsca, swinging, na delóga glasa, géige, sásta, sásta agus. Okay, on sa chré, which means in the earth. Sa chré. So I'll read it one more time. Is Crann láidir mé, mo chusa sa chré, mo géige ag lúsca go bríomhar sa ré. Na delóga glasa ag rinca go gasta, nach mé atá sásta, is Crann láidir mé. So send me a voice note of Buckaroo if you're reading that. It will be absolutely superb, and even try your best to learn it off by heart. Okay? Slán go fóill, buinnig í tainmh os an lá. Slán.